Okay, so we're at the 2022 Southampton Boat Show, and we are going to give you an early bird preview, warts and all. So you're going to see all the behind the scenes stuff. We're going to take you around the show to all the stands you need to go and visit. And this year we're starting with the Kawasaki stand. What do you think? So let's roll the credits. Okay, so the big news on Kawasaki this year at the show is we have got the latest 310 LXs. So we've got the new gold one with the LED marker lights. See those, Dan? We've got the price here, only £22,000, sir. We haven't cleaned them yet. We're going to clean them in a minute. It'll be clean before you come to the show. Oi, mate, what are you doing?
I'm a human build pump.
Have they got bilge pumps, mate? Was it? We're using an old beer glass.
Just had my 12 o'clock beer and we carry on.
Didn't even know it rained. A bit sunny, son. This is the new 310X, which is £20,099, and we've got the Kawasaki 310 LXS, which is the replacement for the R. And they've got these new TFT screens, which I've done a video of before, and the new back deck system. A lovely trailer. The trailer's nice. Have you seen the trailer? It's got green rollers. Really nice. And then we've got the back deck system where you can have like boxes and fuel and wakeboard carriers and stuff like that, son. We've got a 160X, but my favourite one is the stand-up SXR.
Gonna stand up on it then?
I'm going to stand up on it, yeah. Actually, I'm going to leave my shoes on. I know I shouldn't.
Jake, is it safe?
Safe for me to go on, Sam.
Oh my god. It'll be a good test, won't it? Oh, oh, oh.
Look at that. Now the stance is, that is the stance. Now I'll tell you what, I've had a go on one of these, and after 5 minutes, because I'm so unfit, I'm absolutely panting. Anyway, these are here for you to buy too. And also, the Kawasaki factory has given us one of these lovely Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10Rs, which is actually, you probably look better this side, Dan, if you have a look. I just want to show you a couple of bits. It's got all the racing suspension, Brembo brakes, we've got all the racing engine, and obviously Aqua Provic exhaust. So we've even got this to show you at the stand too. And we've got life jackets and all the other gizmos we normally have. So, if you're interested in a new Kawasaki jet ski, and I think this year you are, then come and find this man here, Jake. So hello, Jake.
Hello.
And he knows all you need to know about these machines. And that dust track is looking pretty close. Is it going to be? It's not going to come and hit our skis, is it, Dan? It's all right. So let's walk over now to Parker Boats. Right. Okay, so although this is the September 2022 show, we show 2023 models. So these are the new Parker 2023 models. And we'll start with the 630, which has got a 200 Mercury outboard. Lovely little day boat. And how much is this, Dan?
65,000.
£65,000, including VAT?
Including VAT.
Very reasonable. Next one is the 690, which is
£80,000.
£80,000. I like that.
I saw the voice file, so maybe that registered that I've seen it, but I haven't listened to it correctly.
Lovely steering wheel. Lovely steering wheel. Right, but the excitement on the Parker stand this year is the brand new 2023 Parker 780 Escape, which has got lots and lots of extras, I've been told, but this is about £118,000 including that. So I think it's so good we're going to jump on it. And just having correct etiquette, I will take my shoes off. And yes, I have got some stupid socks on, which today, Dan, are the Rolling Stones. And also, very unusual, we've got a Honda outboard. We usually fit Mercuries like this one, but this time we've got a Honda, and the reason we got a Honda is because we couldn't get any Mercuries. And actually this is a bit more expensive, isn't it, Dan?
It is, yes.
But don't worry, we'll do you a deal. Anyway, jump on. So on this new Quest, is it called Quest?
Escape.
Escape. This new Escape model, look at the detailing, it's really nice actually. All the teak table, this seat converts. You've got a little dash here with the seat. You've got 2 berths in there, got a little toilet in there as well, Dan, haven't we?
We do, yep.
Little gas cooker here. I love the flexi teak flooring. The shout window, you put your head out here.
No, James, in the front.
Oh.
Behind you.
Oh, here?
It's got a bigger shout window
Bigger
than...
shout window, let's try that. Oi, get the fenders in! That works well, doesn't it?
Not so elegant, but...
Not so elegant. It works well. Cup of coffee.
Still
Your
warm?
one, is it? It's still warm.
Yeah, still warm, yeah.
You didn't get me one, did you, son?
No, I didn't know you were coming.
Oh, right. Okay, that's enough. So let's get on to the next one. Next one, we've got the 850 Voyager, which is about 150,000. Really popular boat. We sold lots and lots of these. These fenders are included. This is the Quest 760 Quest, which is the kind of Pesh Promenade fishing boats, which are always popular. And you know, if you fancy something a bit different from the Beneteau and Genoa, then come and look at the Parkers.
And how much is this?
Oh, I don't know actually.
100.
Sorry. 100. It's £100,000, including that.
And it's a weekender as well.
So it's not just.
So it's not just fishing boat. But it can be both.
At the end of the run, we've got the Explorer 790, which is
110.
110,000. Oh, that doesn't look bad for 110, is it?
No. Do you want one, sir?
I might get one of those for myself. Okay, so let's wander now onto the Fairline stand. Stand. And behind me is that magnificent Squadron 68, which is my new favourite boat. Isn't she beautiful? So we've got a few boats here this year. We've got the new Squadron 68, we've got the Squadron 50, we've got the best hospitality which we've ever seen on the water. I'll show you that in a second. And then the 2 Targa 45s, the Open and the GT and the F-Line, and we've even got a Targa 50. So I'll quickly walk you around and show you them all. So this is the Fairline Squadron 68. We'll just give you a little peek in here. They're still cleaning it and stuff. I'm not going to do a full tour, but I'll just show you. Isn't that stunning? Absolutely love that. Okay, then alongside we have got the Squadron 50. And the guys are eating a load of sausage rolls. You got one for me there, have you? It's a Squadron 50. 7-Up is extra. So's the computer. Just going to give you a quick peek into these boats. Then, as you can see, everything's still a bit in progress. But we'll be ready for the opening tomorrow morning. This is the chaos that normally ensues. How cool is this hospitality? Look at this. Here's the front desk. We're just going to put our head in here quickly. This is the coolest hospitality I've ever seen. There's the man responsible for it, Miles. Well done, Miles. You've done a good job, son.
It's going to be awesome.
Oh, look at the balcony. Music's cool as well. There's a little... Oh, I love this. This is very nice. What's the plant? There's a bar. If you buy it, spend $1 million, you can have a free beer. Just going to walk through here. Thank you very much. And then we have got the F-Line 33 with the hard top, and it's got the big twin 400s. Crikey! That's going to be fast, isn't it? Look at that. How cool is that roof? Do you like it, Gary?
I love it.
Gary
Love
loves
it,
it.
James.
Gary
Love
loves it. If Gary loves it, it's a winner. Then we've got the 45 Open, which looks like it's still a work in progress. And we've got, oh look who we've got here. We've got JP, the man himself. JP, smile for you, smile. I'm good, smile for YouTube. I know it's not prepared yet, but we're just doing a early bird. At least you've been to John Lewis. That's good. That's a good bag. Yeah. Just have a look down below. Just quickly. Oh, these are all the oddments we put on. Look. Oh, Sharon's dressing the boats. Say hello to YouTube, Sharon.
Hello.
Right, we'll leave them in peace. Let's go and look at the next one. Okay, this is a Targa 45 GT. This gentleman's washing it. Just be quick. So we're looking there. If I can open the lock. Come on. Is he locked? Can't open the door. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Oh, it's so calm in here. Electric hardtop. Beautiful boat. I'll give you proper tours. This is only just a quick tour, just to show you what we've got at the show. We'll walk on to the next one. Oh, getting wet there. The Targa 50, which looks great. And the Targa 50, apparently this one's going to Norway. So the Norwegians have kindly lent it to us for the show. Oh yeah, look, it says Fairline Norway. And we'll peek out. Oh, it's got lightwood. Oh, I suppose the Scandinavians do like lightwood. Oh, that looks quite fresh actually. So the Targa 50, which has got the bigger platform and is a little bit more expensive than the Targa 45. And that is the lineup. So let's keep on walking. Sea Ray stand where Brandon and Ross are going to be hiding out, and I'm really happy to see we've got some beer. Look, I don't know if was that 1 day's worth, Ross? Or?
Yes, mate, should be. Should be.
Okay. So we've got the Sea Ray SDX 270. They're covered over because we've had a few showers. And how much is that one, Ross?
172.
Very pleased, including that.
Including that, we'll do that for you, yeah.
And then we've got the brand new model
250?
250
SDX,
which
correct.
means Sunday. And there's Pepe hiding in there. How you doing, Pepe? All right. This is a very cool boat. Can't believe it's. Is it grey?
Do we like grey?
That's great.
We like
It does
grey.
look cool. And how much is this one, Russ?
About 130.
About 130, including that for the 250 SDX. And then we've next got the 230 SPX.
Correct.
What engine's this one got?
We've got 4.5 in there.
250?
With a 250 with a Bravo 3.
Okay, and how much money?
We'll look about 100.
100 grand. Very, very reasonable. £100,000 for this one here. And then if we go around the corner, we have got the
250 Sunsport.
250 Sunsport, which is a customer that's kindly lent us for the show, and it's got a deep royal blue hull.
Not blue, not grey.
Not a grey. Because if we look that way for a second, Ross, we can see a sea of grey sea rays.
It looks better over there.
Which you chose. They look good. They look good. Grey looks good. Right. And the last boat on the stand, we have got the magnificent Sea Ray 320 Sundancer.
Coupe
with the full glass, which I have done a video on before. The one I did was blue, but Ross chose the colour of this one, and guess what? It's grey.
Of course it
but
is.
it does look good. I must hand
But
it
can
to
I
you,
just
Ross.
give you a little shot? The shot I like, Ben.
Yeah,
I'm just going to move around here.
Yeah.
Is that one just there?
Of all the boats.
Oh, look at that.
That does look good.
Oh,
It's a sea of grey.
Isn't it? A
looks
bit of orange.
lovely. Oh, a bit of orange. Oh, yeah, it's true. It's orange. Does look very good. And let's tell everyone how much this one is.
We got that about 380.
380 ink back.
Correct.
Okay, so we haven't got many options on that one then.
Well, we've not got the joystick
Okay.
or the high-low platform.
Okay.
But everything else is there.
Everything else is there, and it's got the twin 6.2s.
Chris, yeah, 6.2, 300s in this one.
300s. That's going to sound good.
It is.
That's going to sound good. So come down and see us on the Sea Race stand, Brandon and Ross, during the show. Okay, so this is the Seatag stand, and we have got, what do you call it? A reimagined, is that what you called it?
Yeah.
What do you call it? Reimagined? Yeah, reimagined. We've got a reimagined Princess F49, which actually is ours. And I gave it to the Seatag team, and I said, can you just jazz it up? And to be fair, they've done much more than that. They've done an absolutely fantastic job. And it's the first time I've seen it today. And it's called the Third Way. And I think that's because you can either buy a new boat, a used boat, or a Seatag boat. Is that it? Is that right? Have I got it right? Yeah. So let's have a quick look. I'm very pleased. I love that table. That looks really, really nice. And the upholstery that Seatag do is second to none. It's fantastic. And the detailing, love all this. Very, very good. But the big change, excuse the boxes because we're getting ready for the show, is they've gently got rid of some of the wood by painting some of these, which looks really, really cool and modern. And the high level ones here have been done too. The lovely leather and detailing on the handles, the upholstery. And I don't know if you can call this carpet, but whatever it is, it's the coolest ever material that I've seen on a floor, by far. So this boat is at the show. I'm not going to do a full tour because that's for another time. That's noisy, that saw, isn't it? But it's for sale at the show. It's a 2018 Princess 49, and you can buy it for £850,000. So I'm now off to see the Williams stand. Okay, so last but not least, we've got the Williams jet tender stand, which will be manned by Darren. And on here, we've got all the favourites. Now, we've just covered them over because we're getting ready for the show to open tomorrow morning. So I'm just going to tell you which models we've got, and then you will have to wait and see what colours they are. Because you saw the colours last year. We had blackcurrant, we had curry, we had all kinds of colours. So you wait till you see this year's ones. You're not going to see it until you come to the show. But we have got a brand new 2023 325. We have also got a brand new Sport Jet 345, which has got a very, very nice bit of detailing, which you'll see. And we have got the Sport Jet 395, which is hidden under here. And last but not least, if I can spell my words out, we have got the ever popular Mini Jet. So you've now had a full snapshot and a quick walk around the show to see all the stands we're on. So please come down to the show. We're here from Friday the 16th of September through till 6 p.m. on Sunday the 25th. We are shut on Monday the 19th of September for Her Majesty the Queen's funeral, so we can all pay our respects. But apart from that, we're open all the way through. So come down and see us. See you at the show.